Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out flight status on the Kenya Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen and click on Flight Status in the upper right corner. Then you can search for a flight and its status by typing in its flight number. To the first section, and the departure date should be selected as well. And when you are done, you should tap on the Get Flight Status button down below, and you will be able to check out its flight status. So here you can find it, the duration, the airline, the departure and destination points. Here you can find the timetable, including hour, flight information and the airport too. And here down below you can find the total duration of the flight. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.